Yeah, welcome to my channel. It's time to do my November Sephora Play unboxing. Yay! Excuse my voice, I'm a little under the weather. I'm trying to get over it. We're going to start with the theme, which is... I don't know what the theme is. It's party. It's something about parties or something. I don't know. Here's your 50 extra points. Steps to use this guide. Okay. It's a cute little box. Oh, Merry and Bright is the theme. Okay, Merry and Bright. We're gonna go with that. First thing in the box, in the bag that came out was the cleansing volumizing paste with pure Russell clay and rose extract. Is this for my hair or for my face? Because I feel like I got a jar like this and I thought it was for my face and it was actually for my hair, which I'm glad I didn't try it on my face. Medium volume and thickness to fine hair without weighing it down. Yeah, okay. So it's apply on wet hair, massage. Okay, so this is a hair product. Ooh. That's interesting. That's interesting. Smells good. Okay. Okay, Sephora. Bringing up the new stuff. This is from Makeup Forever. Ultra HD. Micro finishing loose powder. Okay. If you watched my last video with my birthday haul, you know that I had a little bit of trouble opening stuff. I'm not really sure why. This I will probably gift away. I'm not gonna open it. It's probably sealed, I'm sure. Yeah, it's sealed. But it's just a translucent setting powder. And it's probably really good. Micro finishing loose powder. I'm sure because it's Makeup Forever, I'm sure it's flash proof and all that. I just don't need it because I just restocked my Laura Mercier powder. And I have a banana powder that I'm using from, I think, Ruby Kisses or somebody. So I'm probably just going to gift that away because I really don't need it and I don't want to waste it. The next thing in the bag is the Victor & Rolf Flower Bomb Bloom. This smells so good. Like, I know this scent smells good. I can't, excuse my voice, I can't smell 100% of it, but I know it smells good because I've smelled it before. The next thing in the bag is taped really well. Taped closed really well. Okay, Sephora. Sephora's been giving away a lot of their lip creams lately, which I'm not mad at because the last one that they sent, the purple one, I've been using for like 2 weeks. Well, I think I've used it all this past week. Maybe not the week before that. But I've been using that as like it's like my plum purpley nude every day. It's great. It works great. It lasts a long time. It lasts all day, actually. Now that I think about it, it lasts through the whole workday. So this is the Cream Lip Stain in Pink Tea. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And they work. I mean, I like them. I'm not sure why they're not letting anyone else play at the party, but you know what? Okay. You do use Sephora. Pep Start Eye Cream. I have received this before. Wasn't super impressed with it. I mean, it's easy to apply. It doesn't crease my eye cream or my concealer or anything, so it works fine. I can't say that I noticed any real big difference from it, but I'll take it. And the last thing in the bag, is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter. Oh. Dissolves all makeup, even long wear. Ophthalmology tested, safe for sensitive skin. Excuse me. Hello Fab. And it's just an eye makeup melter, which means it's probably an emollient. Yep. It's white creamy. And you just rub it on your skin. I'm not going to do it because I just put this face on. And you just melt your makeup away and then rinse it off, I would imagine. Let's see. That's all that's in the box. So this video is basically over. So On dry skin, gently massage the product over the eye area for 15 to 20 seconds or until eye makeup is dissolved. Use additional product over the face to cleanse the complexion. Rinse with water or a damp washcloth. Okay, so it's really for your eye makeup. So yeah, we'll compare this to my Makeup Forever Sense Eyes, which is what I use to remove my eye makeup now. So yeah, we'll compare those two since that's supposed to be similar or a, comparable product. I am going to try this. I have lipstick on. What is the deal? I am so weak at this point from not feeling well, and I really am, like, really not feeling up to par. But this is a nice nude. Oh, this is going to go great. So the other Sephora lip cream that they sent is a dupe for a color at ColourPop, and this actually looks like another dupe for the one that I already have in ColourPop. So I will compare those two because the ColourPop one that I have is called Marshmallow, and it's a plum purpley matte lip cream, and the Sephora one they sent last time, which is violet or something, I don't know. I used it, and then I used the ColourPop to touch up later, and it was the same. You couldn't even tell. So I think this is going to be a dupe for the other brownish one that I have in ColourPop, which I'm not mad at because now I have more. And they work great, and they do last a long time, so I'm really happy about that. This is the bag that it came in. Cute bag. Your once a month squeal-inducing bag of amazingness is here. That's cute. Sephora Play. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to go unpack all my goodies from my birthday haul, stash away all my stuff for my Sephora Play box, figure out what I'm going to do with this cleansing volumizing paste for fine hair. Not fine. So, let's see. How about we gift these two away to someone with fine hair and someone that needs a setting powder. And we'll keep the rest. Greedy. Ha! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you got in your box. Have you tried this before? Has anyone tried this? This is a new product? Or is it just new to us? New to me? I'd love to hear your feedback. And about these Sephora lip creams. I have not been disappointed. I do have one from a long time ago that's a nice plummy metallic color. It works also really well, which is why I stand behind these 100%. I don't have a problem with them at all. And they're at a good price point, so can't really complain. And now I am realizing I did not use my extra 50 points when I went to the store and purchased my stuff at Sephora. So I just really collect these little tags, these little tickets, and don't do anything with them at all. Not a doggone thing. Anyway, y'all have a great week. Happy Thanksgiving. Have a good weekend. Bye.